Hi gardening friends! Today I'm taking my broccoli and cauliflower seedlings and I'm potting them up with some more dirt. I had planned to put them in the ground today, but we're getting an unexpected heat wave of temperatures up to like 99 and 100, and broccoli and cauliflower don't really like hot weather. So I'm going to pot them up in a little bit bigger pots and give them some fertilizer and keep them downstairs in the basement under the lights until the weather decides to act like September instead of July around here. This is my little basement growing station. Simple little lights hanging on chains, so they're adjustable. With my little plants sitting underneath. Here. So it's very simple. These were in little 3-inch pots. I'm putting them in bigger. This is like 4-inch, 5-inch. I'm really bad at sizes. I save all my pots from when I buy plants, and that's where I got these out of my greenhouse. So I'm gonna use a little bit of potting soil and get these in bigger pots. All my little buddies seem safe and secure in their new pots. I'm gonna pop them downstairs underneath the lights for probably another week to 10 days until this 99-degree weather goes away. Then I'll put them in the ground and hopefully, fingers crossed, we get some broccoli and cauliflower this fall. I had no luck in the spring because it was once again really, really hot, much hotter than we normally have it. So if you like to play in the dirt and all things garden, please like and subscribe and tell me in the comments which one is your favorite, cauliflower or broccoli. Let's see which one we like best. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.